Oh, Safemoon, Safemoon, Safemoon. I read this morning and I saw patience, and then I saw a couple other things that you do need to know. So if you're a Safemoon holder, you may like this. I know you're excited today. The price is up a little bit from what it was. And so watch this entire video. I'm going to share some news with you that it's going to make you a little excited. All right, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm so excited to bring you some Safemoon news. It is one of my hidden gems, but here's the thing. It's not a hidden gem anymore. It used to be. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into the content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to help grow your brand and your bank account with this information. Now, Safemoon now is trading at this price right now. It's up about, 1%, but that's not the biggest news that I'm gonna share with you right now. One of the news is this right here, tokenomics. Of course, we love tokenomics. I do have Safemoon in my trust wallet and collecting tokens with the tokenomics strategy. But here's the thing, another exchange has enabled it, and it's called BitBNS. So let me go ahead and click on here and see what this is all about. So Safemoon is involved with this that has 47,000 followers. Let me go to their website and get more and more in depth into this. Now, this is actually a very, very interesting proposition, a very, very interesting strategy that Safemoon is doing. Safemoon is growing, and they want to get onto some of the bigger exchanges like Binance, Crypto.com has been rumored, Gemini has been rumored. Nothing has been announced, so I don't want to spray any rumors. I'm only going to give you the news to what I know. Now, this right here, I actually have heard of this before. And so this is a good start. This is great news for Safemoon to get on this exchange because it supports tokenomics. They're all about the tokenomics and all about that. But also here's another news I'm going to tell you about this. I was on a website and I noticed the Safemoon wallet is going to be ready for beta in June 15th. You can sign up for the beta launch on June 15th. So some of the features include simplex integration, dark mode, contactless, hold to cancel, and with the haptic feedback. So I'm excited about that. I will be signing up for the beta testing on June 15th. And I believe it looks like this right here. Look like this. So this is the hard wallet. Let me go ahead and get more closer to it. Now that is the hard wallet that's coming soon. The hard wallet is coming soon. There is some really cool things about this as well. And check this out. Safemoon wallet is coming soon. The hard wallet is coming soon. So what I just showed you there is the hard wallet, but the Safemoon wallet, that's something that's going to be on beta testing. I just wanted to show you that where that's going to be coming soon. I don't know when that's going to be, but that's going to be very, very interesting. I can't wait for that to happen. I cannot wait for that to happen as well. Now, the thing about with Safemoon, I think it gets a mixed reviews in terms of like, if people like it, do you want to hold it? I can't really necessarily tell you if you should, but I'm going to give you some information why you should, and then thinking about, doing more research and investing to Safemoon. I'm a big fan of Safemoon because I feel like this is something for, it's almost like a people's coin. A lot of our family members do own Safemoon. I like some of the things that it stands for, especially the rewards that it has. Holders earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of Safemoon grow indefinitely. That's one of my favorite things about it. Also, the community driven, they have a huge following, So if I go back to here and go to Safemoon, they built a Twitter following in less than a couple of months. Remember, joined March 2021. And they almost at 1 million followers, 858,000. So that tells you something about their marketing and the fact that they're doing stuff that's going to help the people, about the rewards, community driven. And then now they're getting onto exchanges that, you know, people can probably still earn the tokenomics from, and that's something they wanted to do. And this is the crypto exchange that they're getting on here. So check them out. I'll have the link in the description. You can go ahead and check this out. If you do not own Safemoon, you can get it from here as well. Also, you can get it from their website right here. Just click on buy now and just follow the prompts from here. I got my Safemoon from the Trust Wallet, and then I got it from Trust Wallet and then the PancakeSwap. So it's a process through here. Got it through the BitBNS Smart Chain. First of all, I got it from the iTrust Wallet, then the BitBNS Smart Chain, and then I swapped it out from my PancakeSwap, and I swapped it out just like it did here. Just follow these steps. It's something you want to do. Now, Safemoon is also growing as well. If you look at this, they have, look at how many holders it has, over 2 million holders. Here, the supply is kind of big, but remember, they burn this all the time, and the market caps keeps growing as well. So it's one of those coins where I have as just to kind of balance out the portfolio. It's one of those things that I'm holding to long term. Long term, I'm holding on to that. And look at this, the token burn. They burn a lot of tokens all the time, I'm telling you. And they got a good roadmap. Look at this. Look at exactly what their actually roadmap is going to be. They are in the protocol. They are in the protocol stage already. So they're in this right now. The initial push, that's Q2. So they're doing that now. So basically, they're getting that ready. Holding the line is going to be Q3, and then to the moon. We will finish the Safemoon exchange and our charity project. Now Q4, what did that believe? That could start with what's that, October? I think that's October to the moon. So that means if you go by this, whatever it says to the moon, think about the price is what it is right here. To the moon, what the price they think it is, I'm guessing is going to be at least a penny. That would be my guess. My Safemoon prediction here, you know what? I believe this will hit a penny within a year. That's my prediction. Within a year, I believe this will hit a penny. That's my prediction. It's the price of what it is right now. I do think it is, because with the tokenomics, the fact that they're very, very hard driven in terms of their marketing, they're growing their base. So they're getting a good Safemoon army together. Also, they're getting onto exchanges as well. So they're really doing a good job getting to these type of exchanges. And also, they got a good plan. I mean, come on. They have a plan to attack and really help out the people. And it's all about the people, giving it back to tokenomics. You know, the rewards is all of it. The static rewards. You also have the community driven, the automatic LP. Every trade contributes towards automatically generating liquidity that goes into multiple pools used by exchanges. That is giving it back. So more and more people know about this and willing to invest, no financial advice, then that's going to help Safemoon. And look at this, they have a roadmap exactly what they want to do. They got past the protocol. I thought we were still in Q1, but we're not. We're actually in Q2 right now, the initial push. So this is what they're doing right now, the initial push. The holding line is next. That's coming up. So that'd be coming up next, July, August, September. So around July, I'm guessing, that's will be Q3, around July time. And look at this. This is what they say. They want Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. We will begin a community listing donation raise for several exchanges. So they're trying to get on Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken sometime in the end of summer, early fall, I'm guessing. That's what Q3 is. That's their plan. And they have a really aggressive plan. I'm telling you, if they get on Binance and Coinbase, that actually they may go to the moon by then. That could go to the moon by then. If they get on Binance and then you got Kraken and Coinbase, oh my goodness. Even though they say to the moon, they may be already in freaking Jupiter. They may be in Jupiter by holding the line, and then by Q4, they may be in somewhere in some galaxy somewhere. I don't know, in Mars or freaking, I don't know, Saturn. Because think about it, more people will know about it. They will go ahead and, you know, invest into it. They'll go ahead, and there'll be more marketing for them. Oh my goodness. And they say we will be expanding the team by 25%. Anyway, I don't mean to go to a tangent. Looking at the roadmap, I'm just saying, I'm a Safemoon holder. Do your research if it's something you want to do. And, you know, if you want to go ahead and buy, go to their website. I will have it in link in the description. You can also go through their website here in terms of the exchange that they have, and go ahead and do your research and check it out. I like this website. I like this exchange that they got an agreement with, because they kept with their mission statement with the tokenomics. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. I'll be back with you tomorrow. I'll be back with you tomorrow with more videos just like this to help grow your bank account, help grow your knowledge in terms of this space. I got branding videos as well to help you with your brand, and I'll see you on the next video. I cannot wait. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below to get started. If it's something you want to do, invest in Safemoon on your own terms. My name is Adam Shelton. I'll see you later.